अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। तो क्या हाल चाल है आप सबकी। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैरियत से होंगे। मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त, आपका होस्ट क्रिप्टो नॉलेज। आज मैं लेके आया हूँ लॉन्च पुल का न्यू प्रोजेक्ट जिसका नाम है SYNT। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। गेट लॉन्च पुल प्रोजेक्ट हैशटैग 323 साइटिकेट साइड stake USDT BTC or SYNT to claim airdrop. Cat Launch Pool is set to launch project hashtag 323. Syndicate Cyan users can stake USDT, BTC, or Cyan to share 766.500 Cyan tokens for free. New users who participate in a stake will receive a $100 position vouchers available on a first come first survived basis. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Airdrop details: staking period September 22, 2025 at 20 UTC. October 4, 2025 at 20 UTC. Total staking reward 766.500 signed. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Stake to earn now. Unlock method. Unlock 100% cash launch pool allows users to stake in awareness. You can stake your assets before the official launch of the project to ensure you start in earning rewards as soon as mining begins. Users who stake BTC or USDT and choose to remain it into simple and 7 days fixed term period product can enjoy 29.16% extra airdrop reward on top of their original staking earnings. Learn more. Rewarded distributions. The systems will distribute token rewards to users' sport account on an hourly basis based on the proportions of assets they have staked. Get launch pool FAQs. Newcomers exclusive staking pools. Only new users who sign up after uh, September 17, 2025 at 0 UTC are eligible. How to participate: log into your cash account and completely identify verification negative to launch pool. Hold at least zero point 0.1 USDT, 0.000001 BTC, zero point 0.1 signed. Click stake. Exclusive break for USDT newcomers pools stake to win all 100 USDT positions. Ventures users who participate in the USDT newcomers pools and maintaining community as staking durations of no less than 48 hours with an average affected stake amount of at least 100 USDT will be eligible to receive 100 remained portions during the competitions. USD positions which risks the average affected staked amount will be calculated based on actual stakings and red portions during the continuous stakings period limited to 3000 spot on a first come first survive basis. Exclusive stakings limited privileges for VIP users. VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive stakings limited when participating in launch pool with up to 500% stakings limited bonus. VIP level and BTC pool maximum staking amount per users. VIP 4 10 BTC, VIP 5 15 BTC plus 50%. VIP 6 20 BTC plus 100%, VIP 7 26 BTC plus 160%, VIP 8 34 BTC plus 240%, VIP 9 45 BTC plus 350%, VIP 10 to VIP 16 60 BTC plus 500%. Project informations, breakthrough and invitations of smart roll-ups with smart squareness that transforms roll-ups and their squareness into smart contract bindings programmability to the network level, recording costs by 100x official website https slash syndicate dot io slash GitLab's investment discoveries. GitLabs did not invest in syndicated science notes. Get Launch Policy is an inviting staking airdrop platform where users can earn orally airdrops, offer trainings, and newly listed tokens by staking GTC, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, GUSD, or other tokens with low entry barriers and high APRs. It's an easy way to capture market opportunities. Second, USD newcomers pools exclusive rewarded will be distributed as positions victory eligible users will receive the airdrop within 14 working days after meetings the requirement. Partially reportions are allowed during the staking periods, but full red portions will reset the confiscated staking durations. Red meanings after meeting the requirement will not affect rewarded distributions. Please completely identify verifications before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your accounts and assets. Please guys like share follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please follow the events rules of the events. Then participating any cheating behaviors is prohibited, which will result in defecations of the reward. Get receivers are right to the final explanations. This event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Users in the United Kingdom and other registered locations cannot access the service, including the participations in this event, game, or competitions. See the users agreement for further details on the registered location. Risk warnings as a blockchain startup still in its earliest stages. The project may involve significant risk in areas accepted, including options and underlying technologies and the legal and regulatory environment. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Understanding blockchains, startup and assessing their intricate risk require advanced technological and finally knowledge. Due to influences from technologies, regulatory framework, market contributions, and other factors, the project you participating in makes experience significant price volatility with price potentially racing or finaling sharply due to issues related to the underlying technologies of the project or the get training platforms. You may be unable to withdraw all or part of your assets from the project, and cryptocurrency projects are highly risky by naturally, and cryptocurrency price are highly volatile. The project teams does not provide any forms of migrating price community commitment or downside protections. Please ensures you full understanding the risk and are capable of bringing them before participating. Will the platform's storage is strongly is wants of potentially risk. It cannot assume liability for any investment discussions or predict any curtains or compensations. Cat teams September 22, 2025 gateway to crypto trade our 3500 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on get take actions now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewarded invited friend and earn a 40% commissions. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app iDesktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss the trending topics emerging with our global community for the latest in HACID, transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of receive. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. SYNG ongoing breakthrough invitations of smart roll-ups with smart sequencing that transforms roll-ups and their sequencers into smart contract beginnings programmability for the network level, reducing cost by 100x and unlocking the next wave of invitations at the application's network layer. Total reward 766.500 SYNG. Starting time 23 September 2025. Ended time 5 October 2025. Ended in 7 days 14 hours 24 minutes. Pool USDT SYNG BTC. Total stake rewards 500.00 SYNG. Mining periods 12 days. Total stake 2754.91505698 BTC. Participate 3917. Prize pool Horally cap 1736.11 SYND. And yearly Horally reward cap 69.44 SYND. APR 4.18%. Individually staking cap VIP 10 BTC. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Build, develop, and scale with your own API chain. Infrastructure for scalability, programmable, automatically composable app chains, giving you completely controls over your network, scenarios, and economic. What is a Syndicate? Syndicate is infrastructure for builder and scale applications with programmable on-chain square. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. The app chains and app chains is a blockchain customized to particular applications or ecosystems and it needs. The syndicate staked syndicate makes it easy to build and scale applications with programmable other chains squares. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Get Launchpool FAQs. Get Launchpool FAQs. Question number one: what is Get Launchpool? Get Launchpool is an innovating staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, Ethereum, and USDT, GUSDT, or other tokens to earn hourly and airdrop of host and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for efficiently capturing market opportunities. Hello, Get users. Welcome to joining my live stream. Get users 50520B1. Welcome, Get users, for joining my live stream. With low entry barriers and high APRs, it's the limited platforms for efficiently capturing market opportunities. As join now. Uh, Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Question number two: can I participate in Get Launch Pool? First, log into your Get account and negative to the Get Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. Check and participations guide. Question number three: which coins can I stake in Get Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page on Get Launch Pool to view more. Question number four: how many tokens will be rewarded? Hourly staking rewards individually last 1 hour, valid staking amount, total pool staking amount, hourly rewards pool, and the platforms will take multiple snapshot of personally staking amount each horse and take the average staking amount as the validating staking amount. How are rewarded distributed? Question number five. The platforms will take multiple snapshot of personal staking amount hourly and token rewarded are distributed to the eligible users hourly earning and will be distributed into user support account. Question number six. When will the stake assets be remanded? After the users remanded into in advance or the staking is completely, the stake assets will be transferred to simple earn b by default. If the this option is unhooked, the stake assets will be remanded into sport asset. If the amount of remanded assets is too small and does not meet the money claim amount of simple and the assets will automatically transfer to sport asset. If simple earn does not support the claim of the remanded tokens, the assets will also be automatically transferred to sport assets. Question number seven: can I remanded my stake assets at any time? The platforms will take multiple snapshots of personally staking amounts each holds and calculate the validated staking amount. However, early red portions may result in the loss of accrued reward. Please maintaining stable staking amount to ensure mining reward. Question number 8: can I edit additional staking assets? Yes, you can increase your stake assets at any time. The more tokens you stake, the greater your potentially mining or reward. However, once the rewarded cap is reached, you will no longer receive stake rewards. Question number 9: can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launchable projects going on at the same time, you can stake is different pool to receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple project. Each staking pool needs to be staked spectrally. If you only stake assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B spectrally to obtain to the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. Yes, yes, brother. Get users 50520B51. Welcome to joining my live stream, brother. How are you? Question number 10: What is the maximum minimum mining reward I can receive? The holiday rewards hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further staking rewards will be created. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limited for each project. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. The holiday reward cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, you further staking reward will be greater. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the rewarded hard cap limited for each project. Question number 11, will stake assets in the cash launch pool impacting my VIP level? No assets stake in the cash launch pool will be included in the assets holdings calculating for holders airdrop, launchpad, and VIP privilege. About an annually percentage rate APR. Customer 1, when the rewarded coin is the stake coin. APR is equal to total rewards released in the last horse slash last horse total staked multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 100%. Question number 2, the reward coins is not the stake or coin. Total APR total rewards realized is the last horse closing price of the reward coin of the last horse total stake multiply x coins closing price of the staking coins of the last horse is 365 24 100%. Note the APR is an estimated and for referencely only the actually analyzed returns you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated orally. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. About transferring the remaining assets to simple and fixed term. Question number 1, how to get a draw bonus. When you get BTC, GT, Ethereum, and USDT in launch pool, you will get a bonus which is still subject to the annual reward cap per horse by choosing to transfer the remaining assets to simple and fixed terms. Please note that subscriptions to simple and flexible terms or fixed terms once outside launch pool will not uh, qualified for bonus. Question number 2, when did I receive a bonus after subscribing to simple and fixed terms when staking? If you reached the rewarded cap per horse, no more bonus will be distributed. Relate, articulate, How to participate in Get IU launch pool. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Launchpool quick stake on potentially new tokens 96.76 million communitized airdrop 474.92k statement total rewards 38.13 billion pounds raised 6 million plus participate. About Launchpool, question number one, Launchpool. What is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stake their assets to or provided liquidity to earn rewards in new project tokens. Users can look specified tokens in the Launchpool pools to receive corresponding project tokens rewarded joining Launchpool now. Question number two, how can I participate in Launchpool? First, log into your Get account and navigate to the Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. Question number three, which coin can I stake is the Launchpool pool. The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the money page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Launchpool to view more. Question number four, how to get airdrop bonus. When you stake BTC, GT, Ethereum, and USDT in Launchpool, you will get a bonus which is still subject to the individual reward cap per horse by choosing to transfer the remaining assets to simple earn fixed terms. Please note that subscriptions to simple earn flexible terms or fixed terms one outside Launchpool will not qualify for bonus. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Question number five, how many tokens will be rewarded? Orally staking rewards individually last one horse valid staking amount total pools staking amount orally rewards pool system will take a snapshot of individually staking amount each horse and staking the average as the valid staking amount. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Question number six. Where did I receive a bonus after subscribing to Simple and fixed terms when staking? If you reach the reward cap per hours, no more bonus will be distributed. Question 7. How are rewarded distributed? System will take a snapshot of individual staking amount and distributed tokens reward to eligible users. Orally earning will be distributed into user support account. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Question number 8. When will the stake assets be remanded? After the users remanded in advance or the staking is completely, the stake assets will be transferred to simple by refuel. If this options is unhooked, the stake assets will be remained into sport assets. If the amount of remained assets is too small and does not meet the minimum subscribing amount of simple earn, the assets will be automatically transferred to sport assets. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. If simple earn does not support the subscriptions of the remainder tokens, the assets will be also be automatically transferred to sport assets. Question number 9. Can I remanded my stake assets at any time? The system will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount, can each horse and calculate the valid staking amount. However, early red portions may result in the loss of across rewarded. Please maintaining a stable staking amount of to ensures mining reward. Question number 10. Can I edit additionally staking asset? Thank you, uh, get users 50520B51. You can increases your stake assets at any time. The more tokens US stake, the generated you potentially staking mining reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive staking reward. Question number 11. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? Then there are multiple launch pools project going one at the same time. You can stake in different pool to receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple project. Each staking pools need to be staked separately. If you only stake assets in pool A, you will not be able to the obtain rewards from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Question number 12. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The horror rewards hard cap per users to for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further staking reward will be created. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the rewarded hard cap limited for each project. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Question number 13. Will stake assets in the launch pool pool impacting my VIP level. No assets stake in get launch pool will be included. The assets holdings calculations for holder airdrop launchpad and VIP privilege. Video tutorial. Welcome to joining my live stream. Thank you, brother Mohinji. Hold airdrop, hold get and get messaging airdrop for free. Please guys like share for my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Get now offers live tradings for XUSDT, potentially control USDT, spotting 1x to 20x long and short positions. Leverage can be selected by the time of placings order. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Uh, Trade AQUSDD preportionally construct at https://get.com/features USDT and slash AKE USDT. Contract details https://www.get.com/features introduction slash contract detailing perpetually USDT aka USDT. Not too many some market risk and optimize users experience. Get my adjusting trainings payment trails such as funding rest tick size maximum leverage risk ultimate and maintenance marginings as needed. Get Team September 26, 2025 Gateway to crypto trader over 3,500 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take actions now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewarded invited friend and earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app. iDesktop. Follow us on next Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics and earnings with our globally community for the last in sendings transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of receivers. Uh, Ultimately, listings gets to list Gota networks, Goted for sport tradings. Get will listed get Gota networks, Gota for sporting tradings on September 27, 2025 at 11 UTC about Gota Networks. Gota Network is Bitcoin's negative ZK roll-ups insecurity to deliver tunable negative BTC yields throughout computations for in-house ZK MPICs. The fastest productions read ZKVM perspectival bit VM2 challenge model reducing the challenging periods for 14 days to less than 1 day, and Bitcoin the first digitalized currency networks addressing the real mandate for BTC holders as taking the transparency risk. Adjusting the yield quota and tax of a full BTCFI product is used 2% to 30% plus APY spending, earnings, tradings, and earning tradings and applying it in economic decision enables trustly yield inscriptions for gas MEV and mentoring was ultimate maintaining reliances on unsuitable tokens framework. Welcome to joining for my live stream, Haribari and Crypto Fast. Welcome joining my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. ब्रदर ये हिंदी नहीं आती मुझे आप काइंडली इंग्लिश में बात कर ले and many rewards enabling reliances on unstable tokens framing. The team brings a deep experience from mints to 100x returns Belgium Bati Dance and leading global positions. Thank you, Haribari. Trustly yield generation for gas fees, MEV, and managed rewards enabling relies on unstable tokens framing. The team bridges deep experience from needs 200x returns ByteDance and leading global patience funds and is backed by Crypto.com, Ambers Groups, Pylogo, Venturi, and others. Tokens assemble goated. Welcome to joining my live stream. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. The team, website https slash www.goat.networks, Twitter https slash x.com slash goat and tokens ID https slash Basecamps come tokens 0x5D7 and 909 F95143 D4E 6974 D841 DF3A 6226 962. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Deposit goted at https slash www.get.com slash my account slash deposit slash goted trade got trade in the USDT market via https slash www.get.com slash trade goted USDT. App users says deposit goted and get app assets support deposit goted trade goted get app trade sport goted in the upper left corner. Guest teams upon September 2026, September 26, 2025, gateway to crypto. Uh, Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take actions now, sign up and claim up to $10,000 and welcome rewarded invited friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Invited friends earn 40% commissions. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Downloaded the Get app by desktop. Follow us on Twitter to get more bonus. Joining our Telegram community to discuss trending topics and things with our global community for the latest insight in transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of receives. Get to sport HN Hana and Maria for features trading, marines, loans, post, copy, converse, and auto. Uh, invest. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Syndicate official website. A community wanted to interact start here. Trade maintenance announcement. Syndicate maintenance is live. The foundations of a community wanted interacted maintenance is live. Syndicate maintaining is live for the first uh, time. Developers and their communities can own every layers of their network, governance, infrastructures, and economics without lock-in. This is the foundations of a community. Wanted internet reach out today to get started. https slash syndicated.io slash contact. Delivering on Web3 promising 4 years. Web3 uh, promotes the community ownerships, but under the hood, most networks still left code controls, sequencing economics, infrastructures in the hands of centralized providers. Communities where tenant or not owners. Today, that change syndicated maintenance is live. It's the cornerstones of the syndicated networks, which was descended from the ground up to make communities the turn owners of their infrastructures. It's the make communities the true owners of their infrastructures. It is the uh, foundations of a community founded in internet developing on the original promises of Web3. The foundations of community ownership syndicated maintenance is the backbone of the syndicated networks dedicated L2 Also, where all app chainings is creating a long size live on chains as smart contract, smart sequences will users interact with individually. App chains like Gemini chains, DeFi chains, or social chains, syndicated maintaining operators behind the science processing sequence transactions and maintaining the programmable ordering result. At its core, syndicated maintenance ultimately look in communities buildings on syndicated does not don't run infrastructures by one it every app chance launched on syndicated networks is fully programmable. So open the community wanted that manix on handed dependencies on cynical point of controls and no centralized party who can change the rule. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Syndicated smart rollups with the smart securing six tokens of ownership. Developers, developers and their tokenized communities won't have full controls over the Squareness network and economics. They can defy customs ordinance locally governance fee follows and MEV policies and radical in smart contract. This is the difference between infrastructures as a secures and infrastructures as a ownership with a syndicated community can runs networks on their own terms and evaluate them as the C fight technically features of syndicated maintaining service as equivalent hub for all applications. It the core infrastructures that contract all applications developers develop equivalency contracts head but the and ensuring never touching it. They use the app changing themselves which handles executions and users interactions built with abbreviated narrow syndicated maintenance is built with algorithm north providing years of real world scalability and security. Performance 250 ms blocks with time with moderately distance for scaling data availability integrated with the Enhanced DAO for efficiently low cost and data availability smart sequencing locality live on chance in programmable smart contract and models giving communities target controls over ordering results, fees, governance, and ensuring the protocol learnings more about smart security protocols, ensuring in the smart insurance all cycles VRFS and marketplace can result at the excusing layer for lower at latency and transparent guarantees fast withdrawals one horse withdrawals via a syndicated fast bridge provided by TEES and ZKVMS hosting maintaining is internet sports by syndicated and elements with plans for core slices increasing digitalizations as the syndicated network scale. प्लीज़ गाइस लाइक शेयर फॉलो मिला स्ट्रीम थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर जॉइनिंग मिला स्ट्रीम ओके जी अल्लाह हाफिज़ फिर मिलेंगे न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के साथ दुआ में याद रखिएगा और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन करने का मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम को लाइक शेयर फॉलो लाजमी कीजिएगा ओके जी अल्लाह हाफिज़ प्लीज़ गाइस लाइक शेयर फॉलो मिला स्ट्रीम